Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have is some carburetors that measure 38 millimeter. They are Mikuni flat slide. Everything looks pretty good. The bowls look good. There's no damage. You got the caps. Missing a couple screws here and there on the bowls. But all the towers look good. Nothing's busted. Looks like they're complete. Well, of course, we have to sell them as is. It's an old drag race carburetors. But I just wanted to show that there's nothing wrong with the towers. And everything seems to move pretty good. Air screws are moving. Nothing seized up. Looks like the choke is going to work. So anyway, we're selling these as is. And we're going to sell them for $150 with no reserve. A bargain for somebody. Okay, well, thanks for looking. And you could probably put these on a big Suzuki or a big KZ1000 or something, but it's got to be special manifolds. Everything's got to be special. These are not direct bolt-on carburetors. And as far as use them on the street, you're going to have to run the crap out of your bike the whole time to get these to run. You're better off taking these to the drag strip or the racetrack. All right, thanks for looking at our stuff.